For page E8, we're going to be looking at motion and the motion of a cheetah. This requires you to turn back to page E6 to look at the snail diagram once more. Let's read together. How do you measure motion? Look at the snails on page E6. In the beginning, the before picture, we see the snail toward the stem of the leaf. With the after picture, we see that the snail is all the way to the opposite end of the leaf. So we see the snail travel distance. You know the snail moved because it changed position. While an object changes position, it is in motion. Motion is a change in position. Look at the cheetah in the diagram. As it runs, the cheetah is in motion. It travels a distance from the start to the finish. It changes direction. Finally, its motion stops. Some motions, such as those of a moving snail, are very slow. Other motions, such as those of a cheetah, are fast. Some motions are very fast. Now let's look at the diagram. 1. Motion takes time to happen. 2. Motion can include a change in direction. Here, you can see that the cheetah is turning or changing direction. 3. The distance is the space that the cheetah traveled. So they traveled from one spot to another when the cheetah started running. 4. Motion stops when the position no longer changes. Here you can tell that the motion has stopped because the cheetah is stopped and sitting. Let's look at the questions. How do you know motion has stopped? So you need to look at a certain part of the diagram to be able to tell how motion stopped. How do you know that the cheetah moved? You need to look at the whole diagram to be able to answer that question.